vlog. I'm on one of my sea turtle patrols and I just wanted to share that I found a nest this morning. I am super excited. This has just made it all worth it for me being a volunteer because I think that's super cool. One of my bosses has confirmed that she thinks it was a successful lay, a successful nest, which is super exciting. The tracks look like it's from a hawksbill sea turtle. Dude, I need some layers or something. What is this?
It looks fine. Looks really good, actually.
What are you guys doing?
What is this?
Happy birthday!
My favorite candies. Whoa. You did one in here?
I'm gonna make some cupcakes. Here's how it's going. I'm very happy with this. Okay, I know this is kind of ridiculous, but I just want to see how this goes. Put a little icing in this. Okay. Early birthday treat.
What the? Thank you so much.
This is just a treat for you. Nothing's happening. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. No. Happy birthday to you, dear Nico. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Pick your cupcake.
Wow. Okay, I'll have this one.
I knew you would pick that. Today we are headed to Issacs Bay to do some snorkeling. This is on the east end of the island and we have never snorkeled over here before. So I'm actually kind of nervous. I have heard that there might be some sharks on this end. So we'll see. But I'm excited. We have to do like a little hike to get down there. Issacs Bay, that's where we're headed. We made it. Snorkel sesh. Came in for a little lunch break. We got some pineapple. The weather's looking terrible, so we're doing it one more time. Gotta be quick. snorkel sesh. We'll definitely be back here. Almost done packing for Alaska. So excited. We are literally flying to the other side of the United States. So it's gonna be a super long travel day. We have an overnight layover in Miami and then an 8-hour layover in Dallas. So we're not getting to Anchorage until tomorrow night. It is going to be crazy. We're gonna be in Alaska for 2 weeks and then Vancouver for 1 week. I am so excited. So I'm gonna keep packing and I'll see you in Alaska. Freaking me out.
Will you come out?
Pick him up.
Dude, he's not even scared. Whoa, holy. Ah!
Dude! How rude!
Sorry. He wasn't even
I
scared.
knew that was gonna scare you.